In fast group discussions, it is not always easy to speak at the right moment. If you stay silent too long, you may miss your chance. But if you interrupt badly, you can sound rude. So in this lesson, you will practice polite ways to jump in naturally and confidently. Practice these repeatedly, add them to your active vocabulary. Let's start. You can say,
"Can I just jump in for a second?"
Another natural option is,
"Sorry, can I quickly come in here?"
say it like this.
"Can I pause you there for a moment?"
Or you can say,
I just want to pick up on that point.
you might also say,
Could I just add a quick thought?
say it like this.
Can I stop you there for a moment?
Here is another useful one.
Can I just build on what you said?
You could also say,
May I briefly jump in here?
here is another useful one.
Can I just add to what was said?
Another natural option is,
Do you mind if I jump in here?
or you can say,
Can I quickly comment on that?
another way to say it is,
Sorry, one quick point.
you can say,
May I jump in before we move on?
you might also say,
Could I quickly respond to that?
here is another useful one.
Could I come back to that point for a second?
Another natural option is,
Can I quickly share a thought on that?
or you can say,
Can I just say something on that?
you might also say,
One quick thought.
another way to say it is,
Could I just step in for a moment?
here is another useful one.
Can I quickly add something here?
Now let's level this up.
Can I just jump in for a second? Sorry, can I quickly come in here? Can I pause you there for a moment? I just want to pick up on that point. Could I just add a quick thought? Can I stop you there for a moment? Can I just build on what you said? May I briefly jump in here? Can I just add to what was said? Do you mind if I jump in here? Can I quickly comment on that? Sorry, one quick point. May I jump in before we move on? Could I quickly respond to that? Could I come back to that point for a second? Can I quickly share a thought on that? Can I just say something on that? One quick thought. Could I just step in for a moment? Can I quickly add something here?
Keep practicing these phrases. Use them in real conversations. And I will see you in the next lesson.